I bought from my mama. Big body Escalade, why like a Hummer? When I pay the cash, I put racks in the double. Too many hoes that come in by the double. We kick the hoes out the hotel like karate. My bitch bad, she look like a Barbie. Me and the baby like Jordan and Scotty. I don't even rap, it's low-key just a hobby.
Not me, when I rap, I get paid for this shit. Somewhere ducked off in LA with your bitch. I just flew commercial, I didn't wear a mask in the air. Put my arm on your band and pick. Serious, I don't even play by that money. Tell me you driving a Maybach or something. Everybody gon' have some.
Oh my gosh, he's eating on camera.
Alright, y'all already know what it is. We got it. Hold on. Now, how am I supposed to hold this? Like this?
Nah, because you already know what it is, though. Logan, you ready? Look, one hand. Oh, we're on the other side. Oh my god. Logan, you better hurry up. I'm gonna get you. Logan, I'm not lying. Logan! Hey, what to do? Ah! Oh my god, guys. I'm being so for real. I almost fell off of this. I don't know what happened.
Way downtown, walking fast, faces.
Logan, come on! Logan! Alright, whatever, we don't need him anyway. Because we got this light work. Oh my god, hold up. Oh my god. Yeah, I cannot do it without standing up. Oh, I can't stand up. I'll see y'all back at the house. Because it's so cute.
Oh my gosh, he's eating on camera.
I'm not cute anymore.
Yo, this thing just snapped at me. Now I'm just running. Oh, there's white stuff on me now. Y'all think this will hold me? It will.